and is kind of not as ugly as the quadratic formula. So this is my favorite one, but of course you guys can have different favorite ones. So completing the square requires that we change our general form into this form here. And the reason that we do this is because it allows us to use our difference of squares rule to solve our equation. And I'll get into this as we explain this example. So if we want to factorize x squared, take 8x plus 5, so not factorize, if we want to find the solutions for, what we need to do is we need to get this into the form up here. So we are going to get our b value and divide it by 2. So our b value here is -8. And we are going to add it. I'll write it off to the side just in case that helps you guys. So if we have x squared, take 8x plus 5, we want to add b on 2 squared to both sides, because of course we can't just add a value without equaling out on the other side. So we're going to have x squared, take 8x plus 5, and now we are going to add b squared on 2. So we're going to add -8 squared on 2, and then we're going to plus 8 squared on 2. And now what we need to do is continue following the formula. So applying this, we are then going to get x take 4 squared plus 5 equals 16. And then of course we can take the 5 and the 16 over to the other side to get 11. And then of course we can square root the 11 and find our solutions from there. So the middle line in here is just showing us how expanding our x take 4 squared is going to give us exactly the same quadratic that we started with, because our 2 16s are going to cancel out. Oh, sorry, I just realized I forgot brackets there. These need brackets. So we need 8 on 2 squared, not 8 squared on 2. Sorry about that. Okay, now getting on to our last method. So our last method is the quadratic formula. This one is in your formula sheet. It's pretty easy to apply. Remember, you just need to remember the what the coefficients of the general form correspond to, and then you can apply it. And this is going to give you when the x values for when y is equal to 0. Okay, unfortunately we ran out of time to go over any more examples, but